Hello, fellow Whovians, welcome to Mr. Who Reviews. Today, I'm reviewing Doctor Who, the Sontaran Experiment. This is the third episode of the 12th season, so it takes place after the arc in space. Yeah, I just want to try that. And again, this just has Dr. Sarah and Harry go down to Earth on the transmat system or transmat beam or it seems something wrong with the transmat the teleporter since the doctor gets first one show up and then Harry comes and goes and the Sarah lands in a pond or something. Doctor's just trying to fix the transmat beam, which is just a few balls in a circle. Just tells Harry and Sarah to go off and explore, but Sarah's just think they just saying to start off since he's busy working. There are humans on Earth, even though the people on the Nova station thought they were probably the last in existence. And Harry falls down a hole that was covered up because it's Harry Sullivan. And for some reason, in this, he called Sarah Old Tang. They did about 3 or 4 times. Is that what British guys used to call women back then? Later on, Doctor called a robot that's on Earth Old Tang. But, you know. Anyway, and then the Doctor hears somebody screaming and he instantly thinks it's Harry for some reason. I don't know. When Sarah goes back to the transmat system and look for the Doctor, he just finds his sort of screwdriver since the Doctor gets captured by these human military folk and they think he's responsible for their friends being missing since originally there was 9 of them that got a distress call from Earth and now about 4 of them are missing. No, 5 are missing, sorry. Sarah actually meets one of the guys that he think is missing. And apparently he's getting an experiment on and he's afraid of everything now. Doctor tries to tell him that he was on a Nova station, but they don't really believe him since Nova is just a legendary city now. Even Doctor says it's kind of like Atlantis. Just says that he's a fan of clocks, like a clock expert just listen off different kinds of clocks. If there's one thing Tom Baker does great, it's comedy. He really had to try, but he does it great. I don't know. Anyway, Sarah actually saves the Doctor, and he has to fall down the same hole that Harry goes since he disappeared, and Doctor thinking that the hole is probably similar to a sewer system, so there's a way out. And then Sarah and the guys he found get captured. And when Sarah sees it as a Sontaran, she is freaked out and she instantly thinks that it's Lynx. But it's actually a different Sontaran called a Starl. This is the episode that introduces the fact that the Sontarans are a cloned race. So, yeah. I have to say, the Sontaran costume in this don't really look that good. Like, the one for the Lynx looks a lot better. And is it me, or does the face mask look more grey than it should be? I don't know. And Starl is actually a Sontaran science officer, and he actually sent the distress signal to draw humans towards so he can cause or do some experiments before there's a Sontaran space fleet sends their invading ships to take over the galaxy. And there's the Sontaran Council. Yeah, I want to talk about. And Harry has to find one of the other members of the armed group who Starl neglected water from for 9 days. And as he kills the guy that Sarah's with, and she's a screaming murderer, but he doesn't really see it, and he just starts questioning who she is and where she's from. And Harry tries to set Sarah free, but there's a force field around her, and somehow she has like a patch on her head that causes her to see her worst fears. Like this, so that before Starl left, and when Harry was trying to save Sarah, so I don't know how she got a patch. Maybe there's definitely a scene or something. Doctor tries to climb down, and I think meets the guy that captured him before, but they get captured himself by Starl's robot. The leader of the group made a deal with Starl that if you let him go, Starl won't do any experiments, and he's the reason why some of their friends were taken. Yeah. Doctor's able to get Sarah, like the pass off Sarah, and Harry has to save Sarah while the Doctor distracts Starl, and Starl thinks he killed the Doctor. There's this weird scene where the Doctor says that the reason he survives is he took like something from Nerva and just use it like as a shield or one, saying to Harry that so that clog your pockets more, or don't throw anything away, but then saying that you don't clog your pockets. Yeah, he just contradicts himself. Yeah. If any Doctor would, I would expect to be the fourth. Doctor just had the idea of challenging Starl to single combat and just get Harry and Sarah to muddle about on his ship, while Starl performed a strength test on the human that betrayed the other soldiers and one of the other soldiers. And he is surprised that one of the humans is trying to save the betrayer, even though he had, betrayed him. And the Doctor does fight Starl with a stick. And apparently, in the shooting of the fight scene, Tom Baker broke his collarbone, so he needed like a stump replacement. Apparently, the guy in the costume was just not feeling well, and eventually after his episode, I guess he died because of the costume. Yeah, a lot of weird stuff in this episode. Anyway, the Starl just gets worn out, and when he's about to kill the Doctor, he killed the human that betrayed everybody else, since he took the hit for the Doctor. And when he got back to his ship, Starl trying to regain his energy, since the Doctor says that sometimes the turns just get her the nuclear energy for power or something, but Harry actually removed the thing that prevented the nuclear energy to kill him or eat him or whatever. Like Link's dying, they just killed Starro by exploding his ship. And then Dr. Sarah had to say goodbye to the other, or the two remaining human soldiers. I'm thinking they're just gonna wait for Nerva while Dr. Sarah Harry going to transplant system. It still has a bit of bugs in it. And then after this is Genesis of Daleks and then Rens of the Cyberman. Yeah. This is okay. I think it does so the good and dark side. Apparently, like that guy betraying his friends and just want to survive, and then his one of his friends save him, and then him save the doctor by sacrificing his life. The doctor actually contacted Sontaran command or something, saying that they have all their battle plans and they can really destroy the Earth out Star's with the information Star has on the humans. Yeah, Star's commander just mad at the doctor. Yeah. And I think this is the only time where the doctor doesn't reveal to the Tarns or any of the enemies that he has or reincarnates that he's the same person. But the character of Stahl is pretty good. Like, he's a scientist, but when he doesn't have any use for any of the subjects for the experiments, that he takes him out. And he's more cruel than Lynx, but I don't know, that's my opinion. And seeing Sarah's reaction when Starl showed up is just great. And Harry seems a bit more useful in this than he did in Robot or Dark in Space. And he did seem angry when he saw what Starl did to Sarah and the guy he collected water from. And for the Dark Soldiers, as he planned to battle Starl himself. So, Topic is good as always. And again, the Sontaran costume is just awful. It's really saying something when the costume is responsible for killing a guy. And apparently, Dark in Space was supposed to be a 6-part episode, but they actually decided to make it a 4th and just have a 2-part after. I don't know why, but I guess they just wanted another solo Sontaran episode. I don't know. Anyway, next time Doctor will be taking up the mantle of Time Lord President, and then some reason the Sontarans turn up. I don't know. I think we'll just get more into that next time. I'm Sue. See you guys later.